Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. It's been 15 days now and taps are still running dry in Baga. And this was due to sinking roads that have still not stopped sinking. The Goa Bhumiputra Adhikarini Act 2021 passed by the Assembly on the last day of a truncated session will make illegal houses legal in state once Governor signs it. The rape cases in state have gone viral after statement by ministers in the House. Opposition attacks get fresh breath of life. Now for the news in detail. The South Goa rape case has really hit the headlines. The government has not made it easier for themselves with statements on the issue by senior politicians. The opposition has not lost an opportunity that has been handed to it on a platter to attack the government on this issue.
Revolutionary Goans alleged 4 crimes are happening against women every week. Revolutionary Goans said when Chief Minister was making a statement, another rape took place on a girl from Assam. Earlier there was freedom for women to roam whenever they wanted. Shiv Sena alleged that now Goa has become unsafe for women. Swift arrest is not answer, but conviction rate should improve, the party said.
Records असे सांगता की गोया राज्यात एका आठवड्यात 4 क्रिमिनल केसेस बायलांच्या अगेन्स्ट जाता. हे सगळे कोण असे दिसता की गोय राज्य हे बायलां खातीर रावपाक सेफ ना. तू एज अ सीएम कितें करता? फाटल्या कोविड काळात तुवें तुझे फेल्युअर दाखयल्लेच आसा, पण एज अ होम मिनिस्टर आमच्या बायलांक आमच्या भुरग्यांक सेफ्टी प्रोवाइड करपा खातीर तुवें कितें केला? रेप केसेस जाता त्या क्रिमिनलांक तुम्ही धरता, बरें आसा. पुढे कितें जाता तेंचे? अजून मेरेन जितले रेप केसेस जाला तेंचेर ते रेप केसेस स्टडी करून तेचेर प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह मेजर तुवें कितें घेतला? हे रेप केसेस जावपाक जायना म्हणून तुवें कितें केला?
की सगळ्याकडे ग्लोबलायझेशन तेन्ना जावनाशिल्लें. आज जर आमी पळयत जाल्यार आज ग्लोबलायझेशन जाल्लें आसा, आज इंटरनेट आसा. आज जर भुरग्यांची जर मॅच्युरिटी पळयत जाल्यार 14-15 वर्सांचे जवळ जवळ भुरगे म्हणजे जवळ जवळ 10 असोच भुरगे जे आसता तांची मॅच्युरिटी जी आसता ती आमी सादारणपणे 18 वर्सांच्या तेन्नाच्या काळा वयल्या भुरग्यांची आसता. म्हणून आज तांची जी मॅच्युरिटी आसा थंय तूं चड रेस्ट्रिक्शनां घालूंक शकना. आज फॉरेनाक खुबशा कंट्रीनी अशे कायदे आसा की तू भुरग्यांक काय म्हणूंक सुद्धा शकना. भुरगीं आसा 18 वर्सां सकयल्ली सुद्धा भुरगीं आसा ती पेरंट्सान तांकां थापट सुद्धा मारले केस घालता की 18 वर्सां जी एज केल्ली आसा ती एका टायमार केल्ली आशिल्ली. सगळे कन्सिडर करून जे एक्सपर्ट आसा तांणी ती एज थारायली. जेन्ना आमी 18 वर्सांचे आशिल्ले तेन्ना ते एजी थारायल्यो की आमी तेन्ना त्या काळान 18 वर्सांचेर आमकां तितले तितले पळोवंक लागताले. प्रत्येक गजालीन गोंयान जर पळयत जाल्यार कन्विक्शन कित्यानूच ना. मागीर म्हणून आमी म्हणटा की लॉ एंड ऑर्डर फेल आसा. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर फक्त इतलें न्ही की कोणाक धरलो तुमी तशें दाखोवपाक. आज जर गव्हर्मेंटान म्हणत जाल्यार तुमी खूब जाणांक अरेस्ट केल्या कारण तुमी 144 सेक्शनां लायता आनी जे विरोधाक आवाज करता ताका तुमी धरता.
NCP alleged since 2017 about 1,000 rapes are reported in Goa.
पुलिसांची एक डेटा फ्रॉम 2017 to till date about 1,000 rapes आणि एन एवरेज काडीत जाल्यार समथींग अबाउट 200 रेप केसीस इन एवरेज अशें दाखयता. जो कल्प्रीट कोण आसले तेका धरले बालोर. पूण हे रेप करून धरून भुरग्यांचें कितें जालें? आयज ह्या भुरग्यांचो फ्युचर कितें चेडवांचो ल्हान भुरग्यांचो? आमकां अशें म्हणो नाका वो आमकां अशें हे गोवा आमी बिहार म्हणटा थिंगा व्हरपा नाका. त्या आडेच्यान आयज हे हिंगा जाता तितले रेप जाता त्यो आमकां पडोंक ना, पूण आमकां पडलां आमचें गोंयचें. आनी हेजेर ह्यो कंट्रोल करपाक, हेजेर ह्यो कंट्रोलाचेर हे दवरपाक गव्हर्मेंटान कितें पावल मारलां तें कांय खबर ना.
William Rodriguez for Goa 365.
It's been 15 days now and taps are still running dry in Baga. This happened due to sinking roads damaging water pipelines. Now as one part of the road is repaired, another part of the road sinks in another place. Here's more about the sorry state of affairs at Kalangut.
The pipelines have ruptured after debris of sinking roads have damaged them. PWD staff repaired the pipeline at one spot, and another spot road collapsed and another pipeline is damaged. Same story repeated yesterday too. After Goa 365 asked, Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo immediately went to the site and pulled up PWD engineers. The PWD staff did the work. However, locals say that the quality looked to be shoddy with plastic water pipes. The stretch was entirely repaired and everybody breathed a sign of relief. However, another portion of the road near Government Primary School collapsed and another pipeline broke, leaving residents bemoaning their luck. The sinking roads is another story. The roads continue to collapse. Those holes fixed are starting to give away. This is a huge sinkhole near Government Primary School. This is the Kalangut Baga main road. Look at its fate now. Another portion of the road has now collapsed. Traffic had to ply over gutters and footpaths. Sameep Narvekar for Goa 365 from Kalangut.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Goa Bhumiputra Adhikarini Act 2021 has been passed by the Assembly on the last day of a truncated session. This bill, once it is assented to by the Governor, will give ownership rights to self-occupied dwelling units. Under this Act, a person who is residing in Goa at least for 30 years and with an existence prior to 1st April 2019 will be entitled to get ownership rights. Here's more.
There was uproar in Parliament over this bill. Later, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said the bill was because of Goan residents who do not have land ownership rights. But according to this act, the owner have to pay an equivalent amount to the value of land calculated at the market rate. Bhumiputra is a person residing in Goa at least for a period of 30 years. Bhumiputra Adhikarini means a committee constituted under the Section 3 of this Act. Committee consists of Deputy Collector as chairpersons, officials from TCP, Forest, Environment and Mamlatdar. Dwelling unit must have permanent structure having plinth area not exceeding 250 square meter, constructed or in existence before 1st April 2019. It must be assessed for the house tax by local authority. Should have water and electricity connection. Bhumiputra Adhikarini may declare a Bhumiputra to be owner of the dwelling. Bhumiputra should pay an amount equivalent to the value of land calculated at the market rate. If land is not owned by the government, the amount received will be transferred to the owner of such land. If any question arises as to whom such amount is payable, the same shall be deposited in a government treasury and paid to such persons as may be decided by the competent court of law. Any person aggrieved by the decision of the Bhumiputra Adhikarini may appeal before the administrative tribunal within 13 days from the date of such decision. No court shall have jurisdiction to entertain, decide or deal with any question which is to be decided by the Bhumiputra Adhikarini. Sameep Narvekar for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Looks as if there is a rift in the Toddy Tappers Association. A section demanded changes in the association, demanding that its president be removed. They alleged that he was mismanaging the association.
Association members lashed out at their own association. They alleged that caste certificates were being illegally given by the association. During the last ZP elections, 2 persons outside the community were given certificates, they alleged. The investigation in this regard is in process.
आज हिंदू समाज आहे ते आमगे हेतू कोण आहे तेरिके आसतना ते असले पयलींसान तेमी आमगेले असोसिएशन सांबाळा तेरिके आसतना आमचे भायर मारूंक सोदनाय सालू कमीस म्हणटो सालू कमीस केपें तालुकाचो तो एसटी तो आज आमगे भुरग्यांक ओबीसी भुरग्यांक एसटीन आयडेंटिफाय करता हे खंयच्याय समाजान ना आजो सालू कमीस आमी चॅलेंज करता तुमकां कितें जाता तें कर रॉंग ना आमगे एसोसिएशन आमी बॉडी तो की सांगता चलयता तितून एक मास्टर जालो आहा क्लार्क आमगेलो आलकान म्हणटो सारको हाती सरकोस्तो चलयता आलकान तेका आनी तो आनी कोणाक वायकना तो म्हणटा तुमकां जाता तें कर आज आमगेले ऑफिस एक्झिट एक मिटींग ना कांय ना कोण सोडून गेले तेंका आपयले पोतून गेले
आमगे असोसिएशन आमी टॉडी टॅपर्स असोसिएशन आमगेले बिगिनींग केलेले 1995 सॉरी 1965 And after that, a president येयले, सगळे येयले, तेमी कांय ते गेले कॅर केलें ना, ते रिन्यू केलें ना. And besides, they were issuing certificates. Anybody will come out from Bihar or somewhere else, doing a bar opening or something, or wholesale or something. Do he is liable for this certificate or no? Obviously, as for me, I don't think so. And there are many people who are waiting to take the benefits. And if they go there officially, no. And those who are coming unofficially, this is what is happening in India.
Your certificate bogus आहे तो. I verified this certificate. I challenge this. Your certificate challenge कोता तीन माका सांगूचें कितें यो हांव सांग बोगस दाखयत म्हूण जेन्ना म्हाका कळ्ळें हो एक रिपोर्ट आहा डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ऑफ केपें जेन्ना एक सर्टिफिकेट बोगस केली एक सर्टिफिकेट बोगस केली हिलारियो आंद्रे फेर्नांदीस विठ्ठला मड्डी केपें गोवा तेका चेड्या दिली डायसन फेर्नांदीस ही चॅलेंज म्हाका पडली आनी ही कोर्टरीच हांव वचून व्हेरीफाय केलें बिल्स फॉर प्रेसिडेंट स्टाफ हे भाशेन एसोसिएशन पयस काबार केला मुगे एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आमगेले गव्हर्मेंट आमगेले सोशल वेलफेअर डायरेक्टराक हितू इन्क्वायरी करची रिक्वेस्ट केलो वो आनी दुसरो हे सर्टिफिकेट पळयता दिता हांवें तेका विचारलें तुमी सर्टिफिकेट दिता आनी आमगे तालाट्या डेप्युटी कलेक्टर त्रासाक जाताय कित्याक ते प्रॉब्लेम जाता तांकां सगळी इन्क्वायरी सोदून काडूंक जायना पूण हांवें सांगिल्लें हो रजिस्टर आहा तुमी एप्लिकेशनाची जरी तो हे एप्लिकेशन हांवें दाखयता हो प्रूफ दाखयता एफिडेविट विथ विटनेस जे कॉलम आहा रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर एन्सेस्ट्रल प्रूफ फॉर कॉलम आहा तितून नो प्रूफ जाता दॅट मीन्स नो प्रूफ दॅट मीन्स दॅट सर्टिफिकेट इज बोगस.
Sandeep Twekar for GOA 365 from Margaon.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some weather. A few spells of rain, thunder showers with short intense spells with winds occasionally gusting to around 50 km per hour very likely. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 30 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. The southwest monsoon was weak over the state and light to moderate rainfall occurred at most places. But there will be a gradual increase in rainfall in the next couple of days. Local forecast 24 hours. A few spells of rain or thunder showers with short intense spells very likely. Winds occasionally gusting to around 50 km per hour very likely. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 30 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. 48 hours. A few spells of rain or thunder showers with short intense spells very likely. Winds occasionally gusting to around 50 km per hour very likely. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 31 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Warning: heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 31st July, 3rd and 4th August 2021. Winds occasionally gusting to around 50 km per hour very likely on 31st July 2021. No weather warning on 1st and 2nd August. Fishermen warning up to 75 km from the coast. Squally weather with winds reaching 40 to 50 km per hour gusting to 60 km per hour likely to prevail along and off South Maharashtra and Goa coast from 31st July to 2nd August 2021. Fishermen are advised not to venture along and off South Maharashtra and Goa coast during this period. Beyond 75 km from the coast, squally weather with winds speeds reaching 40 to 50 km per hour gusting to 60 km per hour likely to prevail along and off Gujarat coast and adjoining Northeast Arabian Sea from 31st July to 4th August. Strong winds with speeds reaching 45 to 55 km per hour gusting to 65 km per hour likely to prevail over North Arabian Sea from 31st July to 4th August. Strong winds with speeds reaching 50 to 60 km per hour gusting to 70 km per hour likely to prevail over West Central and adjoining Southwest Arabian Sea from 31st July to 4th August. Fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas during this period. High wave warning. High waves in the range of 2.5 to 5.1 meters are forecast during 17:30 hours on 30th July 2021 to 23:30 hours of 1st August 2021 along the coast from Jakhau to Diu Head of Gujarat coast. High waves in the range of 2.5 to 4.3 meters are predicted during 17:30 hours on 30th July 2021 to 23:30 hours of 1st August 2021 along the coast from Malvan to Vasai of Maharashtra coast. Port warning: Maharashtra and Goa coast nil. Goa 365 Bureau with inputs from IMD. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.